Biology is a branch of natural sciences which deals with the study of living beings. It provides the knowledge about living organisms which differ from each other in shape, size, composition, etc. The word biology comes from Greek language bios meaning life and logos meaning thought or reasoning. Thus, biology meaning study of life. But life cannot be defined properly, but on the basis of life processes, it can be identified through following functions of living organism such as digestion, respiration, metabolism, movement, growth, development, excretion, irritability, and reproduction. There are three major divisions of biology, which are zoology, botany, and microbiology. First of all, I will tell you about zoology. The word zoology is derived from Greek language, zoo meaning animals and logos meaning study or knowledge. It deals with the study of animals. Now, botany. The word botany is taken from Greek language, botan meaning plants and logos meaning study or knowledge. It deals with the study of plants. Third one division is microbiology. The third division of biology is microbiology. It deals with the study of microscopic organisms such as bacteria, which can be seen only with the help of microscope. Modern biology deals with the structure, function, and many other descriptions of living things. Advanced research during the 20th century has led to the division of biology into specialized branches. Some important branches are as number 1, morphology is the study of external form and structure of organism. Second branch, anatomy, in which we study about internal parts of body of living organism by cutting them open. Cell biology, it is the study of cell and its organelles. Histology, number 4th, histology is the study of structure of tissues of plant and animal. Physiology is the study about functions of living organisms. Taxonomy is the study of rules, principle, grouping, and naming the living organisms. Number 7, genetics, the study of heredity, that is transferring of character from parents to offspring. Number 8, development biology is the study of formation and development of embryo. Number 9, environmental biology, the study of relationship between living organism and non-living factors of environment and their effects on each other. Biotechnology, the study about techniques for manipulation of gene to bring the changes in structure and location of genes to achieve desirable characters. Sociobiology is the study of social behavior. Sociobiology is the study of social behavior of living organisms such as interaction between themselves. Parasitology is the study of parasites. Paleontology is the study of remote past organic life with the help of fossils. Pharmacology, the study about action of drugs. Molecular biology, the study of organic molecules which constitute cell and its organelle. These are all the branches of biology. Biology is the multi-dimensional subject and linked with other sciences.